Okay, now let us discuss about two-port networks. First of all, we have to understand what is the meaning of the word port. Okay, port. A port is it's a pair of terminals through which a signal can enter into a network or signal can go away from the network. Okay, so simply we can define a port is okay, right. Well, let us see the block schematic of a two-port network. This is a block schematic. Actually, this is a circuit, and we don't need to bother about what is inside this box. That may be a series of components such as resistors, capacitors, whatever it may be. We don't need to consider now. Let us try to understand. This is a box, and through into which we can supply energy, and from which we can take the output. Okay, right. This is a network. Okay, here we have a pair of terminals in the input section. Let us denote it as 1 dash, and here we have a pair of terminals in the output section also. So let us mark it as 2 dash. This pair of terminals through which the signal enters into a network, that is known as input port. So these are the input port. Okay, at the same way in the same way, the pair of terminals through which signal is going outward, that is known as output port. Okay, right. But in the schematic diagram of a two-port networks, it is assumed that the direction of current is flowing inward in both input section and the output section also. So let us mark the currents as here I1 and this is I2. It is assumed that the current I1 and I2 are flowing into the network. Okay, right. And let us denote the voltage at the across the input section as V1 and that across the output section as V2. Okay. Here we can find the definition for both input port as well as the output port. Pair of terminals, 1 dash through which signal enters into the network. This is known as input port, and output port is the pair of terminal itself from which we can take the output. Okay, right? Okay, thank you.